What really happens when you try to open your eyes while sneezing? No, your eyes won't pop out of your head. That's a myth. But there's a reason your body forces them shut. When you sneeze, the pressure in your head builds up rapidly, and your eyes automatically close to protect them from germs, particles, and that intense pressure. Comment below if you've ever actually sneezed with your eyes open, or tried to. Trying to keep them open can mess with your natural reflexes. But no, they won't explode. Still, it's best not to fight nature. Your body's smarter than you think. Wow,